Welcome once again, Ebusuya for your science so Eshisha. Be munim say Eshisha say na a viral trends across social media and so celebrity gossips and latest gist and IDB Ebremo our yen platform way so na sende. Ya science so Eshisha biomua. This look alike guys on my idea bia ama SM fans ni Shatta Wale himself. Why proud of himself and Yebeka ya Shatta Wale din sembi babetuja. Probably, I think some days now, and I didn't say Bibabetu Jade mom say they should do something better out of the look-alike job. Now, Sansa Mashata Dibetu Jano, it be like the look-alike guys have taken it serious. Oma Fini Bibi Aye, Menemoka say, I think few days ago they dropped the song, which is the kiddie look-alike, a friend example. Medical look-alike, and yeah, they came together to do a song, and guys, the song is crazy. And Ukrandan channel, another video has popped on social media. Say these guys are advertising for Shaxi, and guys, this is mind-busting because Shatta came out with the message, and we thought Krase Omubeja. Because Medical came to say something similar to what Shatta Wale said, and then they cooked him. Omonuano. And it be like Shatta Wale's message, ako amomwetie, and now they are out with a Shaxi video. I to say omo advertise endorse Shaxi. Na yinti ensemo this youth e de babe tuja.
Shefo! Shefo! Hey! Yaro. I come on the CPS. And Shefo. Apa Shatta Wale.
Wale we dey take your card
so free discount. Obianko fe duate. Shefo! Yaro. I come on the CPS. And Shefo. Apa Shatta Wale.
Wale we dey take your card
so free discount. Obianko fe duate. Shefo!
For send a movie video no the brand is becoming big, but we are expecting to get more videos like this from you guys. Yes, more advertising for Shaxi in Kwa, more starting video skit, something reasonable, cause hype need the money, but account for so a hype no so. The moon yana moon fine BB and fine ye and fan can win when, and I think it will help you guys as well. Me the mobile see what hamami who I didn't share and comment box in so you subscribe as well. Subscribe for my na ebebram with latest update and nina. Me da masi bebre. Peace out.